2025 CR 003649, State versus David Wayne Huff. Can I have parties announce?
Matthew finished for David Huff, Your Honor, ready.
And are you Mr. Huff?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the court's admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, within 1,000 feet of a playground, and that makes it a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let's break this down because this case just launched from 0 to 100 in seconds. We've got David Wayne Huff facing a third-degree felony for possession of less than 1 gram of a controlled substance. But here's the kicker. He was within 1,000 feet of a playground. That tiny detail turns this into a felony with serious consequences, up to 10 years in prison. And just when you think he's headed for lockup, the state throws in a curveball. They're recommending community supervision instead. Why? What's the story behind that deal? And pay attention, because we'll soon hear Huff reveal a deeply personal reason behind his drug use that changes the emotional temperature of the room entirely. From trauma to potential redemption, this case isn't just legal, it's human. So stick around, because things only get more intense from here.
Stand up.
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. The state recommends community supervision. They will take in consideration 2025 PF 06925. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plea?
No contest.
State any evidence.
State offers exhibit 1 and attachments, Judge.
We've reviewed those, Your Honor. We have no objections.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor. We waive PSI today.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client is motivated. He's accepted responsibility today. He's asking the court to follow this plea bargain. We would ask that you sentence him accordingly and follow our recommendations to the court as well.
All right, so how long have you been using?
About 10 years.
All right, why did you start? What happened in your life?
My mom, my dad, and my stepdad was killed in the car wreck.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Kind of messed me up, but
So are you, if you were tested today, what would the results be? All right, positive for what?
uh,
And what else? All right, so here's the thing, where you're starting at now today. It's the court's hope that this probation, you'll improve and you'll get clean and sober and you'll stay clean and sober. So do you have any support system?
yes, ma'am. They want me to go to treatment.
Right, so I mean, do you have, where are you,
I
who do
got
you
my-
still with?
I got my own house. I stay in Castleberg Road. But
Okay, so do you live by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any children?
No, I got 2 kids, but they live in West Texas.
That
And what
moment right there, where he admits he has 2 children living far away, is a gut punch, because now this case isn't just about David Huff, the defendant. It's about a man trying, maybe too late, to reconnect with a life that's moved on without him. The judge has just sentenced him to 6 years suspended and probated, meaning Huff won't serve time now, but he's on a strict leash. 200 hours of community service, 120 sober meetings, no contact with someone named Veronica, no jobs with kids, all of it designed not just to punish, but to reform. But here's a real question. Would you trust this man to change? He's tested positive. He's still surrounded by instability, and yet the system is giving him one more shot. Is that justice or risk? Let us know in the comments. Would you have handed down the same sentence?
And what are their ages?
My son's 24 and my daughter's 18.
All right, do you have any grandchildren?
No, yeah.
Okay, are you working at all?
Yes, sir.
What do you do?
I work for, right now I work for People Ready.
I'm sorry, what?
for people ready as an electrician.
Okay.
So.
All right. This is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's to be no contact with Veronica Renee, Renee Trevino. There's to be proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. 120 sober meetings in 120 days. A referral to felony drug court. TAP evaluation. Out of custody. Follow TAP recommendations. Probation, is there anything else he needs? And I'm sorry, taking consideration 2025 PF 06925.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes. Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am, I appreciate it.
In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. So if there's an issue, talk to your probation officer. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. And nobody can help you, and we can't help you with your drug addiction if you don't want to help yourself. Now, I've ordered that you have a TAP evaluation out of custody. They're going to give you a date for that. If you miss that date, what's going to end up happening is a motion to revoke is going to be filed. You're going to be taken into custody. Either you'll make bond or you won't make bond, and I'll hear that motion to revoke. So if you need to get an appointment booklet, get an appointment booklet and put your dates down. You understand? And when you leave here today, other than following their instructions, you need to go to a sober support meeting. Those are the NA meetings, so you can get your life back on track. Because if you continue to use, only 2 things going to happen. Either you're going to end up in prison, right? And you're going to lose everything. You're going to lose your house. You're going to lose even more time with your children. Or either somebody's going to have to come down and identify your body. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we
Thank
excuse-
you. Yes. Just have him remain in custody to speak with probation. So are they seeking to withdraw this?
No, Your Honor, we're going to plead true with an agreement to continue on probation. With the evaluations to be done in custody.
And is this a misdemeanor assault?
It is a non-family misdemeanor assault, Your Honor. And there's already an agreement in place. I'm not the lawyer on that case, but there's an agreement to dispose of that case.
And what's the agreement on that case?
90 days to do. He will have probably racked up enough time by the time he's in custody. Getting done his obligation.
All right, so you understand, if you have an agreement with the state of defense, I don't have to follow that agreement. Do you understand that? All right. Court is calling 2025 CR 003649 State versus David Wayne Huff. Can I have parties announced?
Deputy Clerk for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Matthew Finch for David Huff, Your Honor, ready.
And are you Mr. Huff?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you the same David Wayne Huff who was placed on community supervision in 2025 CR 003649 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1B NA? It's in a drug-free zone on May 15, 2025 for a term of 6 years. All right, state.
Violation of condition number 1, on or about the 16th day of May, 2025 in Barrett County, Texas, the defendant, David Wayne Huff, committed the offense of assault in violation of condition number 1.
All right, and how to that, how do you plead?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 6 years in the prison?
ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number one true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to continue probationer on probation, but to allow for all the evaluations that have not yet been complete to be completed while in custody. The state understands that there is a proposed agreement as to what will happen with the assault that defendant has just pledged true to. So continuing probation will have everything, all the cases will be taken care of, and the state believes that probationer will be able to start a successful probation journey. Your Honor.
All right, sure. And that's the agreement, counsel?
It is, Your Honor.
You want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. If you'll state your name for the record.
David Wayne Huff.
All right, so Mr. Huff, they're saying that they want certain evaluations done in custody. I see that you were placed on probation in May. So why did you not follow through with those evaluations out of custody?
I was only on probation 8 hours.
I'm sorry?
8 hours.
Yes, so what
Oh.
happened?
Okay, so.
So you 8 hours and then this incident is alleged to have occurred?
To maybe shortcut, Judge, he went home. There were some people living in his home that he was trying to get out of his home. An altercation happened. It was people that were trying to get him to use drugs, Judge. And he was trying to do the right thing. He told me this story and told several people that story, but he was trying to fix the problem so he could be successful, and here we are. And he's been in custody since.
Okay, that explains things.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I understand why I should follow your agreement. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court, as previously stated, is finding violation of condition number one true. The court will alter and amend conditions to the following, and this is to happen in custody. A TAP evaluation and a referral to felony drug court. And I am going to order, I think somebody's already ordered you to have 120 sober meetings in 120 days. Was that previously ordered?
It was, Judge.
All right. So you're to make sure that you do that. If for some reason, because the systems are down, if some reason they release you from the Bexar County Jail, you know you're not supposed to be released, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If for some reason they release you, don't fight them over it. Just come back to this court in the morning, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you have any questions about anything?
No, ma'am, thank you.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am, I'll be successful.
All right, if in this court to be successful on probation, communication is key, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you need something, let probation know. If they feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court.
Yeah.
But whatever you do, don't do this thing where you don't report, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
And there it
good luck.
is. The court wraps up with a warning. Don't disappear. Communicate or you're done. Huff has now officially entered the long, winding road of felony probation, 6 years of strict check-ins, drug evaluations, and sober meetings. The judge clearly sees potential in him, despite a relapse only 8 hours into his last probation. This isn't just about legal penalties. It's about the system's last attempt to turn someone around. Will Huff make it through without another violation? That's the million-dollar question. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns, where the drama is real and the stakes are high.